What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be making a banana cake with coffee flavored frosting. Let's go!
This is the JDC Show.
Hey guys, this is our first time meeting. This is Bendy. Hi. And I am Joseph. My mom's coworkers enjoyed this cake so much that I had to share it with you guys. So let's get started with the ingredients for the cake. The ingredients are butter, sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, flour, baking soda, salt, banana, and sour cream. The ingredients for the coffee frosting are butter, instant coffee, milk, and powdered sugar. First, mix the dry ingredients. Let's smash the bananas. Then, in a separate bowl, cream the sugar and the butter. Now add the egg one at a time and mix thoroughly. When it's light and fluffy, add the vanilla. Hey guys, if you're getting value from this video, can you take some time to share this video with your friends and follow me on Instagram at JDC_show. I'd like to make a huge shout out to my mom's coworker, Michelle, for requesting this video. Thanks! Now, after thoroughly mixing, here comes the fun part. We're going to alternately combine all the ingredients. In a greased pan, pour the cake batter. Dissolve the instant coffee with milk. To make the coffee frosting, combine the butter and the powdered sugar. Once the frosting is nice and fluffy, add the coffee mix. Once the cake is cold, spread the coffee frosting. Thanks for watching. As always, leave a like, consider subscribing, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye!